that we may have attributes that our spouse doesn't have. We kind of expect them to have that, or for it to happen a little faster, and to continue to just to pray over your mate each night before you go to bed. Lay hands on him and pray and speak into his life what you would like to see, instead of vocally sharing it with him. When you go that direct line to the Lord, he'll be waking up and say, guess what, Abby, I'm going to do such and such. You go, oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, Lord, thank you. Because that direct access that you have, and utilize that direct access that you have with God to see that marriage nurture and grow and progress, and things that may bother you or disturb you. And it can be a little thing, but it bothers you, that you say, I'm not going to say anything. I don't want to say anything to Vincent about it because I don't want him to take it the wrong way. But you can always go to the Lord about that immediately, and just the exercise of laying hands on him and praying for your mate every night and speaking into existence what you would like to see, and watching God move in your lives, and God has blessed you with a man that has patience, and he loves you, and he's a very patient man. And then that's how you two can complement each other, and in areas where you feel, because you've been that Energizer bunny, you came out, ready, ready for college, just amazing. You came out reading at 18 months and being very articulate, and going to people and reading their T-shirts, when you were like 2 years old, and having conversations and letting them see how strong your vocabulary was, And so because of that, God's going to continue to use that giftedness that he has given you, and to continue to help you two bloom more as a couple, and how God is blessed Vincent with so many gifts that I'm unaware of, but I know he loves the Lord, and he has the gift of figures as an accountant, and I know God's going to honor him and bless him at that right job that he needs. And just the key, like Peter said and everyone says, is just prayer on a regular basis, and just laying it on hands and praying for your mate before you go to bed at night. Y'all had a good night, bad night, regular night, but just making that a routine and just direct communication. And I'm just so proud. I am just so proud of the woman that you've become. But every time I look at you, I'm sorry, I still see Abigail at this height. When two situations, I just continues to reset. That's it. Here she goes. I got one too. I hope you say this good.